and welcome to another episode of the Fat Suit Diaries. So today with me,
I'm Samriddhi Sathe, if you didn't know me already.
and she's a YouTuber and she does makeup videos, and oh my god, they'll make you jealous.
Thank you.
So I'm leaving the link to her channel in the description below. Do check her out, and today we're doing the hate challenge. So basically on this book we've written down 5 instances of hate that we got from you guys
And ourselves,
And
our personal experiences.
And on the basis of that, we're gonna decide, what we can do to get out of it. And whoever has a better answer gets a point. And whoever loses, if you guys have watched my previous videos, it's very famous on my channel. You have to drink a concoction.
I am not looking forward to this.
That's a very high probability I'm going to lose.
So yeah, let's get
started.
Okay.
The first one.
Yeah. Okay. So
The very first hate experience that people have given us is being overweight.
I think this is a very common problem with a lot of people, including me.
I'm not overweight.
I am. Trust me, I am. But I mean, to be honest, I don't really mind because I am very happy with my body, and I think, okay, this is my answer. I am really, really happy with my body. I am super confident about my body simply because it's mine. It's mine to do what I want with. Like, nobody else should be able to tell you what to do with your body. And look, when you try to lose weight, it's not easy. Trust me, I know it's not easy. It's difficult, it's a time-consuming process, and you get so indulged in food, and because why shouldn't you? It's food, like it's so good.
It's important.
But controlling yourself is really important, which I am not amazing at, so I tend to eat a lot anyway.
Doesn't show.
It does, if you look at my mom. So yeah, I think at the end of the day, as long as weight loss should be for yourself, not for another person. It's about you. If you're happy with your body, then you don't have any reason to lose weight unless you think it's messing up with your health. And if you think it's really a health issue, then then you don't have a choice. But don't lose it because other people want you to lose it. Lose it because you want to lose it. If you lose it for others, you'll never have the right motivation. So yeah, I think that's my advice on hate loss weight loss. What is wrong with me?
I think my advice would be, if anyone bothers you, punch them in the face.
Violence. #violence forever.
#violence forever. I think I win this round. I clearly win this round.
Hey, I'm not more logical reason.
No, logic is punching. Like, boom, end of story. This is a lifelong process. It takes time.
Whoa. I think we both should get a point for this.
Fine. We're 1-all.
Yeah. Okay. So, I guess the next round, which is, I don't really know what to really say for this, but it's a situation where you get hate from being too pretty or looking a certain way or just looking
Like her.
No, I'm not that good.
Shut up. Don't make me fling you out of the window.
You can't, it's closed. I won't even Okay, so I'll let you go first.
Okay, so because I've never gotten this kind of hate.
Shut up.
Yes, so being too pretty, I think that's all the more reason to flaunt it in their face. You have a problem with me being too pretty. Here's some prettiness here. Wait, push. So I think flaunt it in their face. That would be my option. You don't have to doubt yourself because you're beautiful.
Hey, it's not like you chose it. You were born that way. And just because your family has better genes doesn't mean others get to criticize you for it. Okay, so I think for me, being too pretty, so I'm not gonna lie, like I get stared a lot everywhere I go because it's mostly because I'm really, really fair
And really beautiful.
Thank you. But it's usually 100% of the time because I'm really fair and I don't look Indian, which I've gotten a lot, which I don't think it's true. But
I thought you were from abroad too. When I saw you for the first time, I was like, ooh.
So I don't look Indian, and I get stared a lot all the time. Like people are always commenting on me, which it's not very comfortable, and still, I mean, I don't think you should put yourselves down because they think you look a certain way. That's not how things work. And also flaunt. And you really can't do anything if you're born with good genes, okay? That's blame your parents. She's such a good singer. Oh my god, I didn't even know she could sing. What the hell?
She's being nice, okay?
No, I can't sing for shit. But she's so good.
Now she's bursting. Now we move on to the next. Oh wait, I won this round. I clearly won this round.
Fine, I'll give it to you.
I'm not drinking that controversy.
Shut up. We both have one. No, you have 2 points, I have 1 point. Okay, next one is about a career thing, which I think I'm definitely winning this because
Let's see.
it's about, okay, so it's someone sent in a situation saying they get a lot of hate for the career path they're choosing. They want to do music, they want to play instruments as a career option, as a career, in fact.
And I think Samriddhi gets a lot of hate in the same way.
I do.
She wants
I
to
do.
become a makeup artist.
Exactly.
So
The thing is, okay, I think I'll go first with this one.
yes.
The thing is, I know exactly where this is coming from. Being a makeup artist is not a very conventional job. It's not something people do, at least here in India. And from what I've seen, people are scared of makeup, which I don't get why, which is really stupid. I'm sorry to all of you. People shouldn't have that because it's all about practice. Let me be very honest. I wasn't that good always. It comes out of practice. And in terms of my career, I know it's not conventional, but it's something I love, and I don't do it for the money. I do it for my satisfaction, for my passion, for my
money. We just want to make the world dance. Forget about the price. I think we forgot about the video.
yes. Okay, so it's not for money. I do it for my happiness. I do it for making other people happy because that's what I want to do with my life. And if other people try to bring you down, even if it's not a conventional or if it's a very typical job or career option, you shouldn't be listening to them. If it makes you happy, it makes you happy. And if you truly love something, you're gonna get it. You have to work hard for it. It's not gonna come to you flying from the sky, but you have to work hard for it, and that's what I've been doing. Okay, what is your take on this?
Oh my god. I think this is my answer to everything.
Punch someone in the face.
Punch the person in the face. And I'm losing this point, aren't I?
Yes, this is mine.
I'm not ready for this.
Okay, yeah. Now the next one is really interesting. Okay, tell me.
Yeah. So the next thing is judging without knowing us, like without knowing me.
Or like when people judge you without knowing your situation.
Exactly, or knowing your personality. Like, I think that's happened to me a lot when I went to high school. A lot of people used to judge me based on the previous school that I came from.
We were in the same
school. So people like judge me a lot, and whenever I told them that I'm from this school, it's like their eyebrows went up and they're like, oh my god, she must be a stuck-up bitch.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm like, I'm sorry, but you don't have a right to judge me until you actually know me.
Exactly.
Or I'm just gonna punch you in the face. So I think one of the biggest things here it would be to stay true to yourself. Like, see, there are a lot of times when people keep saying shit about you, and you start thinking that if they're saying this, then I must be this. But that's not true. Like, unless you think you're a stuck-up bitch.
I mean, that's your own problem.
Yes, like there's nothing we can do about it. But yes, unless you're actually a stuck-up bitch, you don't have to be worried about what they say. So like, let the hate come in.
Exactly.
And then just throw it up the other ear.
Okay, so in my case, I have gotten this a lot. Okay, so in school, again, I'm just gonna tell you where we come from. We come from Oak Ridge, and Oak Ridge is known to be like, oh my gosh, rich kids, they're all gonna be so stuck up and so bossy. But it's not true. Maybe it was true for people who graduated earlier before our batches and people who might still be in the school, because let's be honest, this generation is just not very nice. I'm sorry. So, we come from Oak Ridge and I get hated. I get judged for being an ex-Oak Ridger all the freaking time. Especially because when I used to be in school, I used to be on stage all the time. Because I was I was dancing for every single event in school. And all of my friends who I used to be friends with, who used to hear things about me, they used to be like, dude, once I got to know you, you're not even like 0%.
I agree. I literally agree because as a senior, I heard from all these people like I'm only 1 year older.
Exactly.
I'm not a grandma. I promise. So as a senior, I heard all these things like that junior of us. Oh my God, she's so stuck up. Like she thinks so highly of herself because she's fair. Okay, so in India, like
Being fair is everything.
exactly like if you're fair,
And I think, if I'm not wrong, I probably was the fairest person.
yeah.
I think so.
So like in India, if you're fair, you're considered really high and mighty.
Yeah.
So that's why a lot of people misjudge you.
That is true. I mean, my color is probably one of the biggest reasons people judge me.
And then we're back again.
Exactly, color. So if you're someone who judges someone based on their looks or what you've heard from others, die.
Die, bitch, die.
Yeah, that's just wrong.
Hashtag die.
Die. Okay, I think I win this.
No, I win this. No, yes.
No.
I totally win this. Shut up. Rude. I totally win this.
Fine. Jeez. The fifth one decides everything.
So if say both of us, like say if Samriddhi wins this, we're going to have a tiebreaker, which we haven't decided yet, but we will have a tiebreaker.
Yes. Okay, so this last one is, I think it's so important. I think it's the foundation for your development, which is self-hate. You go first. I just rambled so long, I think you should go first.
Okay, fine. So if you guys are one of my viewers, you know that I'm someone like who's very skeptical about myself, who has a lot of body image issues, and I'm not the biggest fan of myself.
You should be yourself. I love you. I love you too.
So yes, I'm not the biggest fan of myself, and I'm really like I'm shy. I'm not shy exactly, like I'm very uncertain, and I think I have a lot of self-hate buried somewhere inside, and it's because of the way I look. So I think this is something that I've developed over the years to like get rid of not only my the hate that comes from within, but the hate that I allow to come. Like say if someone tells me that Aditi, you look like a little, I don't know, say like this dress is loose, and my brain is automatically going to interpret it in this way that you're looking fat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which might not always be the situation.
Exactly, like this shirt's really loose, okay?
But it looks so cute. She paired it so well.
And it's fruits!
Yeah.
All for healthy eating. That is one of the biggest reasons is to like let yourself know that
It's okay.
it's okay, and people are not always going to hate you for something. I think the biggest thing is to open your eyes and look around and just see that people actually love you.
For who you are.
For who
and
you
if
are.
they don't, then hasta la vista.
Baby. So yes, people actually love you.
Okay, I think for me, self-hate, okay, so personally speaking, I don't think I've really had much of self-hate throughout my life, because I've always, ever since I was a child, I've always been pretty confident about myself, about my abilities. Of course, I have my moments, like in like 9th grade, suppose. I used to hate my forehead so much. Like I wanted bangs, I wanted fringes, I would never tie them up. Even if they looked like shit, I would always have them done because my forehead, was a big insecurity for me, which now I just don't see, because I think it's it complements my face structure, it complements my face proportions, and I don't think it has to be an insecurity anymore. When you start to love all the bad little imperfections about yourself, I think that's when you stop self-hating, and I think that is one of the most important things as a personality development, I guess, if I have to put it in like technical terms. But self-hate is not easy to get out of. Trust me, we've all gone through it, and I think just letting go and not being bothered about what others feel about you or what you feel about you, because the mirror is not always everything.
But yes, I totally won this round.
I'll give it to her. I think she was better than what I said.
And she has to drink a concussion.
Now we're drinking a coca.
Who's gonna make it, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, let's go make a concussion. I'm so excited.
Thank you so much.
I am
So we are back with this disgusting,
this beautiful
disgusting
concussion
thing. Wait, let me show you.
It has Coke, chili pepper, chili sauce.
sauce.
And it has pickle, it has mayo, and it has one more thing, a ginger garlic paste. It's going to be beautiful. It probably tasted good.
Is it weird that I like it?
I'm posting the link to the recipe in the description below.
Check it out.
Check it out. Do try it at home. Feed everyone at home. If they're alive, that means it's
Nah. Well, this was a fail in her part because I actually like it. Okay,
So that's it for this week, you
I
guys.
hope you guys liked it. I know it's a long video, but bear with it. It has a lot of good advice. Don't go
Yes.
anywhere.
And hit the like button if you like the video. Comment below on any other advice that we missed on or any other problems in case you want us to collab again.
Yeah.
Which we definitely will, okay?
We will.
Because I have to give it a
And-
better concoction.
And don't forget to try this at your house. Just go to the bathroom in case you might not like it. I have weird taste buds. So.
Yes. And share this video with everyone you know.
Subscribe to both of us. Oops.
And yes, we made a video on her channel too.
Yeah, so don't forget to go check that out right after you watch this.
The link is in the description below. And thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.
Bye!